Hello everyone. In today's video, we are diving into Elementor's theme builder tool, which lets you control your website design visually. So if you ever wanted full control over your website design from header to footer to blog post, archive pages and all those pages, not only the content part, but building part as well, then today's video is for you. Let's start. What is a theme builder? It is a powerful feature inside Elementor Pro that gives you the ability to design the core parts of your website. Core parts like header, footer, blog page, a single post template, product pages, archive pages, search result. So such parts you if you want to create with code, then you must know PHP. But you can say theme builder, it replaces your WordPress theme templates with your own custom design version, and for this no coding required. To access a theme builder, you go to a templates. Here you will find a theme builder. So as you open it, you will find all site parts which you can customize it. Now to build my theme, I'm starting with the header part. So if I see the current look of the site, this is how it looks. It is just for example, I have created this beauty web page. It has few posts and I have in header, I have just logo and I have a footer. So the currently we are using default theme only, but we are just beautifying it with a theme builder. So I'm going into the theme builder. First I'm creating a custom header. So here you can take anything from library and then you customize it as per your need, or you can design your complete header like you design a section of the pages. So it is similar way of designing only. To speed up, for now I am taking a ready-made template, so I'm using this one. Okay, so this is how my header looks, and here it is asking for menu. So whatever menu I create, it will be assigned here. On right I have CTA and on left I have logo. So first let's publish this. Now as you publish, it will ask you for a condition. So where do you want to display your template? Now I want this template, this design, header design, to be shown as a main header for all pages. So I am applying entire site. Okay, so this will be my condition for this design. So I'm applying save and close. Now let's check our web page. Okay, now if I go to inner pages, this will also applied here as well, because we have selected entire site. Similar way, let's create our custom footer. So if also if you go to the templates, save templates and all, so whatever you have created, it will be listed here. So you can also theme builders templates, you can also find those here as well. Now I'm creating my custom footer. So again I am going, you will find it here, all your created one listed here, and you can also access from here as well. So I'm going to footer, add new. From here you will get pre-built library templates which comes with your plan. So for now I'm taking this and I'm inserting it. Okay, now I don't want this. This is fine for me. Again, it is asking for a condition. So I want it for an entire site. Now let's check the preview. Okay, so this is how you completely build your site. So here we haven't created any PHP file for header or footer or anything. So in same manner, you can design all your parts of your website. With theme builder, you can design core parts as much as you want. All you need to work is on a condition of the template. As per your requirement, you need to work on a condition. So that's where this template will be shown. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.